Have you ever wished for a single source solution to control all of the audio, visual, security, and lighting needs? Control your world? One that was easy to use but powerful and without the powerful price. Hi, my name is Jessica and it's my pleasure to present this new and exciting product, what we think is the world's best remote control system. The ProRemote Solutions Control Module. What's so unique and sets us above all other solutions is that we have engineered robust software functionality within an elegant hardware device, the best of both worlds. Basically, this is a fully functioning PC, capable of accessing your email, even internet, and working on a spreadsheet, and controlling your world. In the next couple of minutes, we will briefly demonstrate how it works within several different areas of the home, inside and out. Let's get started right away. I'll start by demonstrating the ease of use and flexibility of the ProRemote control module. As the system turns on, you can see and hear how it defaults to 80s music within our cable and brings up the cable guide. Now let's take a look at the options on the display screen, the graphical user interface, or the GUI, and test them out. As you see, I've hit favorites and selected ESPN. Then selected back, and we're back to the cable guide page. It's just that easy. Say you want to turn on or off a few lights. Now I'll demonstrate its return logic features from the cable page, which works the same on any device page. So let's select lighting, turn on the kitchen cans, track lighting, and close the blinds. Now, while we're on the lighting page, let's take a look down the driveway through one of the cameras and take a quick peek at the pool area or check in on the kids. Now let's hit the return button. As you see, we're on the cable page and I've muted the sound. Let's recap for a moment. We went to the lighting page, performed several actions, then viewed the cameras and directly returned to the device and our original zone, our cable homepage in the theater. With our visual icon approach built in, you can see how straightforward and simple it is, unlike others who use a browse back button or having to return to the homepage and then select the zone followed by the device. With this unique approach, no one visiting your home needs to feel technically challenged. They can see what they want to do and just point and click. Want to see more? Now, say you're not interested in what's being watched. So let's check our mail from the device page and surf the web. Or let's just hit the Use PC button and use it as a standalone PC. As you see, simply maximize the program and we're back on the cable page. Enough work on email. Let's select the Blu-ray player from the navigation panel. But wait, I just remembered something I want to catch on cable. So let's quickly hit the cable from the navigation panel. I've decided not to shut off the Blu-ray player because of how slow they are to turn on and off. You see, that button selection could have been programmed for any series of macros, like shutting down the Blu-ray player and turning the lights up slowly, delaying and then turning lights to full brightness. In short, hundreds of macros are available per button to do just what I want, the way I want to do it. Looking behind the scenes a little, we see the preamp and the Blu-ray player were controlled by infrared directly connected, the cable box by infrared flashed, and the plasma by serial commands. The lighting by Paraline Technologies. We have a long list of controllable equipment with this remarkable device. I like it because it just works. Here in the bedroom zone, I've now shut off the theater zone. Now this time, let's select the versatile PlayStation 3 and hit OK to play a film. Again, it's easy to control different zones with different equipment, all from the same simple remote. Want to kick back and relax with some jazz? We can interface with all of the music servers currently on the market. My favorite is the ProRemote Media Server 5. The music server offers selection by album art in 5 independent zones. This distortion is almost non-existent at 0.007 THD. The clarity is excellent with a signal-to-noise ratio of 109 dB. These are some of the highest specs in the industry. Switching from zone to zone with volume controls are included. No AV switching system required, only amplification. Now let's play an additional zone, poolside, simultaneously. I will then turn on the fountain as you see. I've just turned on the fountain in Spa. As mentioned earlier, ProRemote Solutions uses contact closure, serial commands, and IP controls. These are great ways for operating climate control, lighting, security, and garage doors. Now let's take a little closer look at the features and displays of the music server with the video server option included. Here's a view of the album art selection method right here on the screen. This display feature also applies to our video server with DVD art. This feature can be accessed remotely through any web browser device or our ProRemote Solutions remote. In addition to being able to drive all controllable devices, there are two distinct features none others offer. Flexibility. Unlike most control system providers, ProRemote includes 3 licenses with your initial purchase. Use your existing hardware on up to 2 additional Windows compatible devices. No additional programming is required. Portability. ProRemote is a standalone PC. It offers all of the features and programs of a laptop for checking email or working on a spreadsheet from any display connected to your system. The possibilities are almost limitless for the way that you can configure it. Here's an example. Let's say that you frequently travel to your beach house. Simply add a button, and once configured with our network adapters, it works just like back home, but at the beach house. In addition, with internet access, every feature at every location is also at your fingertips, within the same familiar configuration, all accessible virtually anywhere in the world. Unlike ordinary remote controllers, there is virtually no limit to what you can operate with this module.